guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I'm not uploading a lot recently, I'm really poorly. But this is a haul that I've got from Sparklesuppliesuk, and these are their pre-pinched square tips. They're amazing, I love them for my clients. She only sells them in packs of 100 at the moment, but if we get obviously more orders, then she'll be able to order more to like sell them in bigger packs, if that makes sense. But we're just trialing these at the moment to see how they sell. Well, I say we, obviously I mean Sparkle Supplies. I'm just a brand ambassador, I'm not actually like, I don't own it or anything. But yeah, got these foils, gorgeous. So this is for box 11. All the different iridescent-y type ones in there. Gorgeous. Excuse the state of my nails, I've not had time to redo them since like before Christmas. But yeah, these little dots are super cute as well. They're like sequins. And these are little like blue flowers with like a purple iridescent shift to them. Beautiful. And they're a lot thinner than the other ones that were on the website as well. The ones that she got in summer last year were a little bit bigger and a little bit thicker, so these are going to be easier to encapsulate. Some little holographic smiley faces. How cute are they? Love them. What's this one? Some silver holographic butterflies. Look at the hollow on those guys. Aren't they beautiful? I'm really sorry if my voice sounds silly, but I just can't help it. I'm full of this flu at the moment. So, yeah. And then we've got these gorgeous butterflies as well. Different colours. Stunning. So yeah, they've got like pink, green and blue in them. And then these ones are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. How cute are these little shapes? They've got like little shoes and lips and stuff in. I just think they're so cute. Red and pink and like I think it's like a peachy colour. Yeah, beautiful. And then these are some more butterflies. These are like matte butterflies. So they're like multicoloured different ones in there. And then we've got, what's this one? Oh, these are some dots with little stripes on. I think they're well cute. Yeah, I love those. I'm checking them because I've got a collection in here that I'm trying to save till last as well. These are some little rings, so like there's small rings, big rings, and then little dots in there. And they're kind of like, you know when you see petrol or oil spilt on the floor? Kind of like that colour, but it just didn't show well on the camera. I think it's my lighting. But yeah, again, gorgeous, beautiful purple holographic flowers. And then, oh, these are like little hearts, but they've actually got that arrow going through. They're so cute. I don't know if you can see it there, but I will do some more videos with these. I'm just like showing you me unboxing and what goodies I got, really, just to get some content up and not leave you like hanging. You know what I mean? So, and then this is the purple from the Glamour collection. I think it's called Wisteria. But yeah, I've already got the rest of the Glamour collection, and that purple was new, so I just got that as well. This is some more little shapes, hearts and lips and stuff. Again, it's going to be perfect for Valentine's nails. Now I'm just checking the rest to see. I think the rest is that collection. But I also got some of these little flowers in silver holographic as well. My clients love silver holographic. Like anything I get, I'm like, oh my god, need. Anyway, jelly bean. So this is from a collection. I can't remember what it's called. How bad am I? But it's basically a colour shifting like chameleon glitter, but in the finer cut. So yeah, that was Shelly Bean. This one's called Spangle. Look at the sparkle on them. There's like no editing of sparkle on here either. Like, I don't edit like that. I don't like those kind of apps where they show it a bit sparklier than what it is. Like, I just think it's false. So yeah, but look at the sparkle on those. I love them. Obviously, like, overexcited, and I was struggling to get the lid back on. This one's called Crunch. It's like perfect autumnal colour for me. Like, imagine that with some little glittery leaves and stuff. Fairy. Again, beautiful. So it goes from like a purpley pink to like a green, I think. Oh, glam. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. And then obviously I saved the best one till last because this is my favourite one, and it's called Phantom. And it goes from like a green to like a blue. It's just gorgeous. Love it. And then I also got this little foil pack as well. So they're like little space, like galaxy foils. So yeah, I'm coming to the end of the video now, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, watching me unbox my goodies. And I'll leave a link in the description box to the website along with my discount code if anybody wants to go and check that out. I don't get any commission or anything for that. I just literally got the code for you guys, so you can get a little bit of money off, so why not? Don't forget to join us on the Sparkle group as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description box as well. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye bye.